What's good, guys? Mr. Boost here. Coming at you with another YouTube video. Today we're going to be drinking some water. Some cloudy water, watch. It's a little cloudy. Okay, so initial taste test. First drink, not that bad. Tastes like it has some salt in it though. Like you ever have salty water? Whoops, scare the crap out of me. You gotta get those extra camera angles. I hate my life. Anyways, like and subscribe. I'll have probably 2 or 3 more videos coming out today. Probably eating some deodorant. Anyways, like the video, subscribe, meow.